Welcome back to Lake Math. Today we're going to talk about zombie apocalypse math. So there's roughly 328 million Americans and roughly 393 million guns in private ownership. So that means not even including the guns that the police and the military have. You could put a gun in the hands of every single man, woman, and child in America. And then there's roughly 2 million police and active duty military. And in America, they sell roughly 10 to 12 billion bullets each year. So that means there are more than enough bullets to take out every single zombie in all of North America. About 3 to 6 months, gasoline goes bad. Water separates out, can't run it. 3 years, car batteries are dead. Grocery stores only have like 3 days worth of food because they invented something called just-in-time delivery, which means instead of having a giant warehouse, they only have a couple days worth of stuff. Believe it or not, Twinkies expire in 26 days. So 1 to 4 years, even the canned goods have expired. Bullets expire in 10 years. 5 years, all the tires have dry rot. And in 1 month, a human body is already starting to liquefy. So how exactly do we have season 10 of The Walking Dead where they're driving around, eating food, and shooting up the place?